Hello, and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 days series. Today I'm going to take this old lamp cord along with some transmission components and I'm going to make a salt lamp. If you'd like to see how it's done, please stick around. Whenever you're using a grinder or anything that's spinning at high speed, I highly recommend a face shield. I don't believe safety glasses are enough. Google image search angle grinder accidents and you might not either. I use a Scotch-Brite pad on the die grinder to make sure there's no sharp edges that could cut the edge of this cord. I've tied a knot in the cord just inside of the slot that I made here, and now I'm going to hot glue it. That should keep the cord from pulling the light bulb out through the bottom. I'll be using a 15-watt light bulb. The heat from the light bulb is supposed to discharge positive ions from the salt. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, peace.